Thank you for the opportunity given me. My name is Isa Inusa. I am a citizen of Ghana. I am a 30 years of age with bachelor degree of agriculture specified in crop science. After my first degree, I work with Agritop Ghana. I work with Ndago Beef Cattle, and I work with Hutam Dairy Farms. These companies are the leading agriculture companies I have engaged with, and I believe experience, knowledge I have with this company will help me contribute meaningfully into your establishment. Thank you very much. Please, I couldn't add a video of Melcon because we are not allowed to use phones during Melcon times.